Trader, AFRM, Affirm Holdings, beautiful company, buy now, pay later firm. They have a buy now, pay later program, just like our buy now, pay later program, the one that you should be signing up for. You can see the Affirm. We called the breakout on the weekly, and we've gone parabolically up for 4 weeks. Then we consolidated. Then we had a fade, and we're testing that weekly high right now, and we gapped above it on a weekly level. Previous highs back over here, right here. That price was 52.48. So this is on a company, buy now, pay later company with all different sectors in the economy. Okay, you have to go through a credit app and this kind of thing. Our buy now, pay later program, you don't have to go through all of that red tape. But nonetheless, it's nice to see buy now, pay later, which is diversified in our economy. And our buy now, pay later program is very diversified. Yes, Power Investing, we're the only company on the planet that has that program. Let that be known right now today.